say that the BBI report is out. We as young people, of course, we are so much involved in it. We have a stake, and we have categorically urged Kenyans to be patient. They need to read fast before they start critiquing the documents. Also, we want our youth to ensure they look at the bigger picture. It's not about politics every time. We need to take time, we look at what is beneficial to youths, what is tangible. Immediately the document was availed for Kenyans to read. KUSO, through its top officials, identified key issues relating to students and youth in the general that featured in the BBI report as per recommendations that we had presented. The most prominent youth elevating recommendations captured being youth will be given a 7-year tax holiday once they establish a startup business, a 4-year grace period for repayment of HELB loan will be given from the day of graduation. A youth commission shall be established as a constitutional commission to ensure the mainstreaming of youth perspectives in planning and decision making. Now I want to remind Kenyans that by the fact that KUSO presented their recommendations to the BBI task force on 2 different occasions, these very recommendations that I have read here, they have been adopted 100%. That is what we recommended to the task force, and we are happy as youths, we are happy as students that those issues have been captured effectively in the BBI report. We thus welcome the BBI proposal to establish Office of the Youth Commissioner in mainstreaming the youth voice in public discourses. We understand that this goes a long way towards redefining the hustler narrative that is nearly enslaving youths and corroding their potential. We further support one salary proposal as a roadmap towards stemming the rising wage bill, which simultaneously promoting efficiency and effectiveness in service